Hello everyone. Today we will see radar chart in Excel. So let's start. This is the dataset for radar chart. Here we can see three person Alice, Bob and Carol and their respective marks in few subjects: math, science, English, history, art. So if you want to create a radar chart, then you have to select the whole dataset. Then from insert menu, recommended charts, all charts. Here you can see radar chart. Now here different kinds of radar charts are available. I'm selecting this one and let's select this one, clicking OK. So this is our radar chart. In this way we can create a radar chart in Excel. Now I will explain this radar chart to you. I'm deleting this because I will explain it to you only from Ellie's viewpoint first, then Bob, then Carol, to make it simpler. Okay, so I'm ignoring Bob and Carol's data. Let's go with the Ellis and her marks in these subjects. I'm selecting these two columns, then insert, recommended charts, all charts, radar. So this is the radar chart for Alice. Now, what is a radar chart? A radar chart is a special chart that looks like a spider web and shows how different things compare to each other. See, this chart is look like a spider or web. So that's why it is also called spider chart or web chart. Okay, and here different here we are only comparing Alice's mark in these subjects. Now, when you will create a radar chart, you will see the numbers, and these numbers will be based on all these values. Here, what is this point? 92. 92 means this point. Okay, if anybody gets 92, then in this point, in anybody gets 92 in math, then here this point will be selected. If anybody gets 92 in science, then because this is the 92 line, so this point will be 92 for science. If anybody gets 92 in English, then this point will be selected because this point is for 92. And if anybody gets 92 in math, this point will be selected. 92 in art, this point will be selected. 92 in history, this point will be selected. This point is 90. So if anybody gets 90 in math, this point will be selected. If anybody gets 90 in science, this point will be selected. If anybody gets 90 in 92 90 in English, then this point will be selected, and this will continue like this. Now what will happen if anybody gets 91? So this is point 90, this is 92, so 91 will be this point. Okay, so if Alice got 91 in math, so this point will be selected. If Alice got 91 in science, then this point will be selected. And remember one thing, in a radar chart, all these points are added through a particular color. Here Alice got 85 in math. Okay, so this is math. 85 means this is 86 and this is 84, so 85 will be somewhere middle in this. So this will be the line for 85 and in math, so this point is selected. Okay, if I just point here, you will see series Alice point math value is 85. Now science, she got 90, so 90 is this point. So this is, but this is the math area, this is science area, so this point is selected. So this point and this point. Now English, she got 88. 88 is this point, this is 88, this is 88, this is 88, this is 88, this is 88. But because she got English, so this 88 point will be selected. Now she got history 87. This is a way to read radar chart is first go with the number. Okay, first that is 87, so first get the number where the number is. 87 means higher than 86, it will be here. And 87 she got in history, and history's portion is this one. So 86, let's go with 86, 86, 86, 86, 86. And because she got higher than 86, that is 87, so this point will be selected. Now she got 92 in art, and this is the art section. So okay, and this is 92, 92, 92, 92, 92, 92. So this point will be selected. So for five different numbers, 5 points are selected, and all these points are added in a particular color. So this is how we can read Alice's data. Now if I want to include Bob's data, select this chart, and from design menu, let's click select data, and here you can remove this data and select both of these data. Click OK. You will see Bob's data is included here. Bob got 78 in math. 78 means this is 80, so 78 will be lower than this. So this is, and this is the math portion, so this is the 78. If you put your mouse pointer here, you will see the value. Okay, so this is how we can create and explain, uh, we can read uh, radar chart in Excel. Let's add Carol's data. I'm selecting this chart again, then select data. I'm deleting all this, and I'm selecting the entire data set. Click OK. You will see all their data. Now you can do some formats. You can add some chart title, data labels. If I add, okay, if you want, you can add data labels. I'm For now I am not including them. You can, legend is a must for this, because blue is for Alice, orange is for Bob, and ash is for Carol. And you can do some modifications. So this is how we can create and read radar chart in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.